What's up, guys? Welcome and welcome back. It's a Jamaican friend. I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are doing fantastic. I hope you all are enjoying the February month thus far. So, guys, this is a brand new track done by PUTRI ARIANI, and this track is called Desert Rose. Cover Live Indonesian Culture and Creativity 2024. So this is actually my first time checking out this track. I'm not really sure what to expect, but I know PUTRI ARIANI will give us something spectacular because she never fails. So guys, without further ado, let's see what's up with this particular track and a live performance that will be done by PUTRI ARIANI. I'll see you guys there. Peace. Damn, bro. That's my girl, PUTRI. She's going so big. She's getting so professional. She's mastering it. Oh my god, guys. This is so beautiful. Oh god. She's amazing. She's just my angel. Whoa. وانا نحوس انا وانا يا زمساتي وانا نحوس انا ولك ذاتي I dream of rain, I dream of gardens in the desert sand. Oh my god, guys. Hey, I don't know why, but PUTRI always, guys, PUTRI always, I mean, like, always makes me happy. There's not one moment I've done a reaction to PUTRI and I'm not happy. There's not one moment. With this voice, bro, how could I even be sad at this point? Damn, bro. Waking vain, I dream of love as time runs through my head. I dream of fire, streams have died to a hearts that will never die. And in the flames, oh! Oh! Bro, she is the best, bro. She's the freaking best, bro. Where's the comparison? You can't compare, bro. You can't compare to the best, bro. Bro, come on, man. Oh! Damn, bro. Oh my god, PUTRI. Oh god, guys. Damn, she's amazing. She's so uniquely amazing. I never yet see nothing like this before. Never. Damn.
The shadows play in the shape of the man's design. It's Desert Rose, shadows veils a secret promise. It's just a flower, no sweet perfume ever told to me more than the.
Oh! 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 Does she even do this kind of thing, bro? Oh, guys, this is a different voice I'm hearing from Putri right now. How many voices does she even contains right now? What the bro? Come on, man. Damn. Blah, 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 blah. Oh God! Wow! Damn, 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 Putri, damn, girl. Oh my, you are my little angel. You are my little angel. You are so fabulous.
A dream of rain, a dream of gardens in a desert sand.
At this rate, ain't no freaking one can do what Putri does, bro. This young, talented, beautiful, blind, no one, and I mean like no one, can do what she does, bro. Not even in a million years, bro. Fuck, man. This is what we call a brilliant job, bro. A round of applause for Putri again, man. Come on, man. Do better, guys. Do better. Let's always support this woman. She needs the support. I gotta go the extreme man for this female here. She deserves more than this, bro. This is just too simple.
Waking fan, a dream of love as time runs through my head. A dream of fire, these dreams that died to a horse that will never die. And in the flames, the shadows veils in the shape of the man's design.
I never heard nothing like this, bro. How could she even done something like this, bro? How could she, man? Ah! Damn, bro. What the ah! Yo, she's superb, bro.
That's a rose, shadows veils a secret promise. This desert flower, no sweet perfume ever taught to me more than this. هذه متعت ولا وحوس على وضع زوجتي.
Oh! I'm finished. I'm finished, guys. I'm finished. Rock on, girl. Keep on making people's life happy. You are doing a great job, bro. Great job.
وانا حوس على وضع زوجتي وانا حوس على وضع زوجتي.
That was so superb. Hey, guys, if you guys did enjoy my reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button to become a member of Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next PUTRI Ariani reaction. Peace.